but the chord is E flat 7. And the relationship between the D flat and the D, that's a minor second, the same as the bells as we heard from Martin's talk just before. Rationally speaking, that D is a mistake. The D does not belong within this dominant 7th chord. And so rationally, we would call it a mistake. However, that's only from a rational point of view, and from we rationalise it through theory. We say, okay, well, we have a dominant 7th chord. The D is the major 7th. It doesn't belong to any of the notes of the chord. Therefore, that note that child played is a mistake. The kid does not see it as a mistake. And actually, when we watch the video, if we notice, did everybody notice this boy here? And what he did, and when he did it. So it's not just about what he did, but when he did it. So we all saw him grimace. But I want to watch the video again and see when he does it. It's not what he does, but when he does it. So his eyes have gone past. And then there's a camera flash. He's not grimacing at the note. He's grimacing at, he's pulling a face for a picture. How many of you interpreted his face as reacting to the mistake? Be honest. Right. So did I. I interpreted that, what I rationalised as a mistake, and thought it had been confirmed by the boy next to me, but it hadn't been at all. At that point, with me watching the video, I was the only person that thought of it as a mistake.